You are going to love 2021 Encore GX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 1.2-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.